Hi, I'm Sharon Cobb, and I am the Associate Program Manager for the Space Launch System at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center, and this is Rocket Science in 60 Seconds. The Space Launch System Mega Rocket is the only rocket that can send the Orion spacecraft, astronauts, and supplies to the Moon in a single launch. Artemis I was the first test flight of NASA's Space Launch System, and this uncrewed flight allowed us to gather valuable data before we send a crew to lunar orbit and beyond. The 322-foot tall SLS produces 8.8 million pounds of thrust. That's 15% more than the Saturn V that first sent humans to the Moon. A rocket needs massive amounts of power just to leave Earth, and even more to lift what people need to live and work on the Moon.